So you've been thinking about buying a home. You've been talking about buying a home. Well, now is the time. Interest rates are still low, and so a mortgage may be less than rent. My name's Doug Perry. I'm a real estate broker with Compass in Bucktown, and today I want to share an article with you which is a step-by-step guide. Buy your first home in 1 year, a step-by-step guide. This article is brought to you by House Logic by Realtors. Now, what I'm going to do is share one point from it. If you like what you hear, you can click the link in the show notes and you can read the entire article. So, buy your first home in 1 year, a step-by-step guide. The ultimate timeline ensures the smoothest of transitions. So, a real yard, closets bigger than your average microwave, the freedom to decorate however you darn well please. Making the switch from renting to owning is exhilarating, but many rookie homebuyers find the process trickier to navigate than they expected. This is why we created our first-time homebuyer checklist. The 12-month timeline will help you sidestep common mistakes like paying too much interest or getting stuck with the wrong house. And yep, it happens. 12 months out. Check your credit score. Get a copy of your credit score from annualcreditreport.com. The 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, are each required to give you a free credit report once a year. A Federal Trade Commission study found 1 in 4 Americans identified errors on their credit report, and 5% had errors that could lead to higher rates on loans. Avoid last-minute bombshells by checking your score long before you're ready to make an offer, and work diligently to correct any mistakes. Determine how much you can afford. Figure out how much house you can afford and want to afford. Lenders look for a total debt load of no more than 43% of your gross monthly income, called the debt-to-income ratio. This figure includes your future mortgage and any other debt such as car loan, student loan, or revolving credit cards. There are plenty of calculators on the internet to help you determine what you can afford. Now, if you're pushing the limit, start reducing your debt-to-income ratio now. To get a reality check on what you may actually be spending every month, you can use the worksheet. There's a link in the article. Next thing you want to do 12 months out is make a down payment plan. Most conventional mortgages require a 20% down payment. Now, if you can swing it, do it. Your loan costs will be much less and you'll get a better interest rate. If, however, you're not quite able to save the full amount, there are several programs that can help. FHA offers loans with only a 3.5% down payment, but they require mortgage insurance premiums, which will drive up your monthly payments. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, provides a list of nonprofit home buying programs by state. Also, check with credit unions, and your employer might even have an assistance program. As you're planning your saving strategy, keep in mind that banks like you to season your money. That is, they like to see that you've had stable funds in your account for 60 to 90 days before applying for a loan. Don't worry, you can still use a financial gift from a family member or bonus received near the time you buy. So like I said, I'm only going to share like the first point. It goes into what you should do 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month before you make a purchase. So I hope that you found value in that. Once again, my name's Doug Perry. I'm a real estate broker with Compass in Bucktown. And if you have any questions or you just want to chat, feel free to reach out to me. It's very easy. You can call or text me at 312-572-9801 or message me on this app. Otherwise, you can email me at doug.perry@compass.com. I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to meeting you even more.